Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Many Xbox consoles don't support Bluetooth for audio, so know whether you're pairing a controller, headset, or adapter. Put the accessory into pairing mode now, and make sure your Xbox and controller are powered on. Once done, update system software so the console recognizes new devices. This reduces connection errors. You move quickly because being current prevents hidden incompatibilities, and you proceed to the next step only after the accessory visibly flashes or announces pairing readiness. You navigate to Settings, then Devices and Connections, and choose the relevant section for Bluetooth or accessories. This is where the console scans nearby signals. Select the matching accessory name when it appears, and confirm Pair or Add Device. Follow any on-screen prompts such as PIN entry or firmware updates. Make sure to adjust audio routing and microphone levels so game chat and system sounds behave correctly. Once paired, test audio. This ensures the connection works and lets you fine-tune latency or volume before gameplay. You finish by testing everything. Play a quick game clip and speak in chat to confirm both audio and mic work. If you hear dropouts or lag, make sure the accessory battery is charged. Then power cycle it. Remove the device from Xbox and attempt pairing again because a fresh handshake often clears conflicts. If problems persist, switch to a wired connection or use the official Xbox wireless adapter. This bypasses Bluetooth limitations and gives more stable audio. Try firmware updates for adapters before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.